Hello dear students, you will see the series of 400 multiple choice questions of science and technology for standard 10th class. Now let us see the 20 multiple choice questions on the chapter disaster management, chapter number 10. Question number 1, what is a dash dash disaster? Option A, geophysical, B, man-made, C, biological, and D, atmospheric. Correct answer is option B, man-made. Question number 2. Locust swarm means grasshopper attack is dash dash disaster. Option A, atmospheric, B, plant, C, animal, and D, unknown. Correct answer is option C, animal. Question number 3. Volcanic eruption is dash dash disaster. Option A, geographical, B, atmospheric, C, biological, and D, man-made. Correct answer is option A, geographical disaster. Question number 4. Leakage of poisonous gas is a dash dash disaster. Option A, geographical, B, atmospheric, C, man-made, and D, biological. Correct answer is option C, man-made. Question number 5. Locust swarm means grasshopper attack on large scale affects on dash dash. Option A, social system, B, economic system, C, medical system, and D, political system. Correct answer is option B, economic system. Question number 6. After disaster actions like search and rescue operation include in dash dash. A option pre-disaster, B, emergency phase, C, transitional phase, and D, reconstruction phase. Correct answer is option B, emergency phase. Question number 7. Due to blast in atomic energy plant, there is a threat of dash dash to human being. Option A, leakage of radiation, B, emission of carbon dioxide, C, emission of heat, and D, emission of polluted gases. Correct answer is option A, leakage of radiation. Question number 8. Out of the following is not a objective of disaster management. A option, supply of essential commodities. B, to offer jobs to disaster victims. Option C, rehabilitation of disaster victims. D, none of above. Correct answer is option B, to offer jobs to disaster victims is not a objective of disaster management. Question number 9. In any disaster, for disaster management and for rescue operations, dash dash is established. Option A, Indian Border Security Force. B, Home Guard. Option C, National Disaster and Response Force. D, National Investigation Agency. Correct answer is option C, National Disaster and Response Force. Question number 10. In dash dash, rehabilitation work is started after subsidence of any disaster. Option A, phase of emergency. B, transitional. C, reconstruction, and D, warning phase. Correct answer is option B, transitional. Question number 11. Dash dash is highly complicated phase. Option A, reconstruction. B, reconservation. C, redevelopment, and D, reuse. Correct answer is option A, reconstruction. Question number 12. Marine disaster in 2014 is occurred due to dash dash. Option A, earthquake, B, cyclone, C, landslide, and D, meteor shower. Correct answer is option C, landslide. Question number 13. Dash dash is man-made disaster. A option, earthquake, B, flood, C, leakage of poisonous gases, and D, spreading weed. Correct answer is option C, leakage of poisonous gases. Question number 14. The chairman of State Disaster Management Authority is dash dash. A option, governor, B, chief minister, C, chief secretary, and D, prime minister. Correct answer is option B, chief minister. Question number 15. The chairman of District Disaster Management Authority is dash dash. A option, chief minister, B, collector, C, president of Jilla Parishad, and D, Tahsildar. Correct answer is option B, collector. Question number 16. Out of the following dash dash disaster can be avoided. A option, geographical, B. atmospheric, C. man-made, and D. biological. Correct answer is option C. man-made. Question number 17. National Disaster Response Force has been established according to dash dash act. A option as per Wild Protection Act 1972. B option Disaster Management Act 2005. Option C Forest Conservation Act 1980 and D Environmental Conservation Act 1986. Correct answer is option B Disaster Management Act 2005. Question number 18. The headquarters of National Disaster Response Force is at dash dash. A option Delhi, B Ahmedabad, C Mumbai, and D option Agartala. Question number 19. Dash dash is not an objective of mock drill. A option evaluating the response to the disaster. B improving the coordination between various departments of disaster controls. C. To supply essential commodities to disaster victims. And D. Identification of own abilities. Correct answer is option C. To supply essential commodities to disaster victims. Question number 20. Dash dash is a practice to check the preparedness of facing the disaster as early as possible. A option first aid, B mock drill, C ambulance, and D fire extinguisher. Correct answer is option B mock drill. In this way, we have learned 20 questions on the chapter disaster management. I hope that these 20 questions are helpful for your examination. Thank you.